So this is the Alt key and this is S key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, you can create a Santa Claus symbol. You can create this emoji by using some keyboard shortcuts. So for do this, first you must open your Microsoft Word, that is MS Office Word, and after that you must type here 1F385. So you must type like this 1F385. After typing 1F385, must press this Alt key and these two keys at the same time. Must press these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that Santa Claus we are created in our computer using this shortcut method. So if you select this, and you can even change the color also. Suppose if you want to give a red or dark red color, then you can choose from here. Okay, hope this video is very helpful. For more videos you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Well Online. Thank you.